Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing my second Empties video. The first one I did I think was like 2 or 3 months ago. Never watched any Empties videos before. I'm basically just going to be talking about what beauty products I have used up and whether they were good, what my experience with them was like, and most of all, would I repurchase it and would I recommend it to you guys to get. These videos don't get that much attention anymore, but I love watching Empties videos. They're like my favorite things to watch. They're like really old school YouTube and not that many people do them anymore, but I love them, so I'm gonna carry on doing them. So I don't have as many things as I did in the last video, purely because I want to start doing them more regularly and with less products. That way I can kind of go into more detail about them instead of just being really short and just having a million jillion empties. Also, I just want to quickly give a little disclaimer. If there are any products here that I don't like and I wouldn't recommend, if you are someone that likes them, then I'm not like bashing them. They just didn't work for me, and there's so many products work for other people and they don't work for some, so just don't get offended basically. And yeah, I just wanted to quickly say thank you for 900 subscribers. I feel like I want to do this like every 100 I get, but everything it's just going quick. It's good and I'm so happy about that. So thank you to everyone who watches my videos and mainly subscribes as well. I really appreciate it. And yeah, we're getting closer to 1,000, so I just wanted to give a quick thank you to anyone who has subscribed. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling now and get on to the video. So I've got my big Empties bag that is not full. I don't know why I keep such a big bag. So something that's just always gonna be in Empties videos. Now, how many Empties videos that I will end up doing, these are always going to be in there, so I'm just going to get them out of the way. These are the Johnson's Makeup Be Gone Moisturizing Facial Wipes. So these are makeup remover wipes. These are for dry skin and they are the moisturizing ones. Like I said in my other video, I think they have 3 different types. They have a pink one and a purple one as well. These are the blue ones that I use and they are the moisturizing ones. They're just so good. They take off all your makeup really well, but they don't like dry out your skin, they don't feel rough, they're just really nice and soft. I love them, they're the best. I have my mum using them now. She's just obsessed. She can't use any of the wipes now. So yeah, I'm obsessed. I love these. I don't think I'm ever going to use any other makeup wipes. They don't feel rough on the skin, and sometimes when I have lazy days and I just don't really want to take my makeup off properly and do all of my skincare routine, I'll just use one of these wipes, and I feel like I don't need to moisturize because they are moisturizing wipes. They just make your skin feel nice and plump and hydrated, and they're just the best in the world, so go buy some. I'm gonna do the makeup Empties last, so yeah, if you want to skip to the makeup, what I'll do is I'll leave a timestamp in the description box kind of when the Empties for the makeup is, but if you're someone that doesn't care and you want to see all the skincare stuff, then just keep watching now. I've got 2 different face washes that I've finished. First one is the Garnier Skin Active Nourishing Botanical Gel Face Wash with Honey Flower. So this is what the bottle looks like, and I remember having this in a favourites video kind of like a month after I first got it. This is just a really nice face wash. It's very gentle and just very soft on the skin. It doesn't feel rough or anything like that. It makes your skin feel clean after you've used it. I know that sounds strange because it's a face wash, that's what it's supposed to do, but I don't know, it just has this really fresh feeling that it kind of leaves on your skin after you've used it. And that's what I really loved about it. It is really, really good. So yeah, I did really enjoy this. I'm not going to repurchase it at the minute because I bought another one that I'm going through now, but to be fair, I like that one a lot more. This wash is by Philosophy. It's that like yellow bottle that I know Makeup by Mario like always talked about it, and that's why I got it. It's expensive, but it's good. Like, it is quite pricey, but it's a really, really good face wash, so I do love that. Someone who has sensitive skin, then I feel like this will be a very good face wash for you. From the drugstore, it's Garnier, it's affordable because, like I said, it's just very nice and gentle on the skin. So yeah, this is a very good face wash. Next product is one of my holy grails for skincare. It's the Biore Free Your Pores Charcoal Deep Pore Charcoal Cleanser. That's a mouthful to say. So it's another face wash. This is the one that I always use in the shower. So I don't use this all the time because it's quite a intense, and obviously it's a pore cleaning face wash. So I'll just use this whenever I'm in the shower, usually when I use it, and I leave it on for kind of like 2-3 minutes, and I just feel it just cleaning my skin. And like I said, I don't use this all the time just because it's quite intense on the skin, and I feel like it does slightly dry out the skin, but it cleans it so well that I don't mind. So that's why I don't just use this cleanser. I will use another one after it. So like at the minute I'll use my Purity one, and yeah, it's just really good for just really deep cleaning. It is, to be fair, like before I even had my channel, what is this? Anyway, before I had my channel, I was using this. It's just always been a really good product to me. So yeah, I really love this. It's a good one. So my next empty is this little guy here. This is one of my Nivea Hydrocare lip balms that is obviously empty. Favorite lip balm, I just love it. It just moisturizes your lips so nicely, and I just can't use another lip balm. I use this every morning. I use Vaseline at night. Tub of Vaseline, this is what I use overnight just to kind of heal and soothe my lips when I go to sleep. But every morning this is what I put on, and it's got SPF in it as well. That's why I use it in the mornings for obviously when I'm going to be going out. So yeah, I love this. It doesn't make my lips go like crackly or like peel after a while, which is what some lip balms I've noticed does. Yeah, this is just a really good lip balm. I don't really know what else to say because it's just a lip balm. Next product is a moisturizer. This is the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. This, I have a love-hate relationship because I absolutely love the moisturizer, but this packaging, no. Packaging stresses me out so much. So let me talk about the products first because that's what's actually good. A very lightweight moisturizer I find, but it is so nourishing for the skin. I used to use this every single morning. I think it's got like cucumber and aloe and all that kind of stuff in, so it's really good for the skin. It smells really nice and it's quite refreshing to use in the morning, so I love this. So I'll just read what it says on the back. It's a lightweight, lightly scented moisturizer. It helps to hydrate and nourish for glowing, healthy looking skin, and it's infused with purified water, nourishing jojoba, aloe, vitamin E, cucumber, and it's got shea butter, grape and orange antioxidants in it as well. Don't know what that means, but it sounds good. However, this pump is the worst thing ever. I feel like at the start when you kind of get it, okay, it's got a pump that's going to be really convenient. You know, you can just pump it straight out. Really great. The pump doesn't work. It works like once. I had to just squeeze it out, which I know this is like first world really stupid problems right here, but it was just inconvenient and I didn't like it. I don't like the packaging at all because every morning, obviously when I'm in a rush as well, I don't want to be, you know, unscrewing this and then it was just a hassle, you know, when the packaging is supposed to be helpful and quicker for you. So yeah, it was just a slight thing I didn't like. But yeah, I probably won't repurchase it purely because the pump. The next product is an eye cream. This is by the brand First Aid Beauty. It's their 5-in-1 eye cream. So this is targeted to smooth the under eye, brighten it, even the tone, nourish and moisturize. This didn't do any of that. It smells awful for starters. I don't know what, oh god, I don't know what it smells like, but I don't like the scent, and I never saw any results with this. It's a 5-in-1 as well. I just feel like it was just like a moisturizer and I just feel like I didn't need it. I just went through it just so I didn't waste the products, but I would not repurchase this and I would not recommend it for anyone because it just, I don't know, it just didn't work out for me. So yeah, personally didn't work for me. Like I said in the intro, if you are someone that loves this product and it works for you, then that's great. It just didn't work for me and I don't know, I just wouldn't recommend it because it just didn't do anything. Now we can move on to the makeup empties, which is usually my most exciting part. 3 sprays slash mists that I went through. One is the Model's Own face makeup fixing spray mist, whatever you want to call it. I found this really good. I really like this. I found that it did make my makeup last longer and I really liked it. It was a good sized bottle. The spray was also very good. It was not a crappy mist, which I kind of thought it might be because it was so affordable. I think it's like £6 or £7 and you get, how many mil? 200 mil, and it was like £6 or £7. So yeah, I did think it was gonna have a bad mist, but it didn't. It's a very good mist. It just made my makeup hold up really well throughout the day, and yeah, I really like that. So the next one is a facial spray. So this isn't necessarily a setting spray. This is the Body Shop Vitamin E Hydrating Face Mist. This I would definitely repurchase, but I just have so many face mists that I'm just trying to use them up first. Same with the Model's Own one. I've got loads of setting sprays that I need to use up, so I don't want to buy more until I've finished using up the other one. I think personally is a dupe for MAC Fix Plus. I feel like you don't need to waste your money on Fix Plus because this does the exact same thing. It's really, really hydrating. You can use it to intensify pigments and also just take away any powderiness and just kind of refresh your skin. It's really good for that. And also MAC are not cruelty free, they're not vegan. The Body Shop are, so I feel like this is just the better option anyway. I would definitely recommend this. This is probably one of the best products that I've like gone through. But yeah, I'll definitely repurchase this once I've gone through the other mists that I've got in my collection, because we all know I like a good mist. The next one is the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. This is one of the best setting sprays, high-end, drugstore, whatever, that I've ever tried. Alcohol in it, which obviously is not good for your skin, but it's so good at keeping your makeup on. It literally does make it last. I will repurchase this once I've gone through, like I said, the ones that are in my collection. Try not to use this on a daily basis, purely just because it's got alcohol in it and that's obviously not good for your skin. It's a good one and it's affordable. I feel like there aren't as many like drugstore or affordable setting sprays, or I haven't found any that are like amazing, but this is really affordable and it's amazing. I'd say this is probably comparable to the Urban Decay All Nighter easily. It's just so good. I just got a big bunch of stuff to talk about here. The next empty is, it's not completely empty because like you can see there's still products in there, but this is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow and it's in the shade Sunset Boulevard. So this is old AF. That's why I've decided to chuck it, but I have hit pan and there's literally only a bit of product in there and it's just kind of gone a bit hard around the sides, so I just thought it was time to give it up because I have used it so much. So you can see the pan in there and there's only a very small amount of products left. But this was like one of my first ever Colourpop eyeshadows I ever bought. I remember when they didn't actually ship internationally and the only way I could get hold of this was on Amazon and it was like £12 plus shipping. It's ridiculous because these are $5 each, but I just wanted to try them so much because I heard everyone talk about the formula and I just really, really wanted to try them. So this was the first one that I got and I don't know. It's a nice memory because I've just loved Colourpop for quite a long time. Like a nice light bronzy gold and it's perfect for every day. I remember I used to keep this on my makeup table in front of me. Then the next product is an eyeshadow primer. This is the Milani eyeshadow primer and I feel like nobody talks about this and I don't know why, because this is a really, really good affordable eyeshadow primer. It comes out nude and then if you just blend it in with your finger, then it just goes clear. If you're someone who really doesn't have dark lids and you just need a good primer, then this will be very good for you. If you're someone like me, however, who has dark eyelids and you want to kind of prime your eyes but also cancel out the darkness, I wouldn't suggest this purely because when you blend it out it just goes clear. So yeah, apart from that, it is a really good eyeshadow primer. It definitely prolongs the wear of eyeshadows. I used to use this all the time, every day. Very affordable. I've had this for a long time. I had it, I think 2 years I've had this. This is the Too Faced Hangover X Primer. This is the mini travel size version. I'm in love. I love this. You guys know, if you watch my channel regularly, then you'll just know that I've loved this primer for a while now. It's really, really good. It's so hydrating and just really good for the skin. It nourishes it and it is a very good primer. It's a tried and true. It's just a really, really good face primer. I'm 100% going to get another full size of this. I know it's pricey, but to me it's worth it. So I would definitely recommend getting this little mini travel size before getting the big one if you're interested in trying it. If you have really dry skin, this is going to be really good for your skin because it's got coconut water and really good, like, I think they're like skin revivers, I think they call it. Yeah, skin revivers. It'll be really good for your skin. Also, I am partially oily, so I still use this and it doesn't like increase my oiliness. It just hydrates your skin really well. So yeah. Got two more mascaras here to talk about. This one I'll just get out of the way quickly because we all know what it is. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is not the waterproof one, it's just the normal one. I don't like waterproof, they take too long to remove. Holy Grail mascara ever. I have bought a backup. It's back there waiting to go in the makeup collection. So yeah, 100% repurchase it. It just volumizes my lashes so nicely, and it also just makes me look like I have more lashes than I do, and I think that's what I just love about it the most. I use it on nights out. I try not to use it too much for my channel because I know it is an expensive mascara, so obviously I try and like use and like show more affordable options, but gone. So yeah, if I would have to recommend one mascara, and if I had to use one, just one for the rest of my life, it would 100% be that guy that is now on the floor. The product is the Clinique Chubby Lash Fattening Mascara. This is a good mascara. I do really like this. I feel like it volumizes your lashes really well, and it's really good for every day. Do I think it's the best mascara in the world? No, because nothing's gonna beat my Too Faced one. I feel like as good as this mascara was, I can't even open it, but I did just kind of finish it because it was pricey and I just wanted to use it up so I didn't waste it. But the wand on this mascara was just too hard for me, and it was too stiff. I didn't like it that much. So I feel like if you are someone who does like higher end makeup like I do sometimes, then I feel like this is a good mascara to try. However, I do feel that you don't need this in your life. You know what I mean? Like, to me, the Too Faced one is something you need. This, I feel like you can find better ones at the drugstore, seriously. So, I don't know, I recommend it. However, I don't recommend it slightly more. That doesn't make any sense. And that is all of the empties done for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And sorry if this video was a million years long. We all know that I talk too much, so yeah, that's not gonna change. Enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure that you're subscribed as well. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.